Hey, what's up YouTubers? I'm back with new product that I found economical but yet very effective to keep me engaged in this COVID time. During COVID time, my only go-to place to connect with external world is my balcony, and hence I wanted to buy a binoculars which is economical and yet very good. I got this Celestron Upclose G2 for 4,999 on Amazon. I must say its build quality is premium and weigh very less. It's in fact 794 grams only. Do you know interesting fact about binoculars? Each binoculars comes with two numbers, such as mine came with 20 into 50. So the first digit means magnification, which means my binoculars can magnify up to 20 times. And the second digit means aperture size. Larger the aperture size, the image will be more better as it allows more light to enter. Another fun fact, there is an upper limit to most handheld binoculars magnification. 10x magnification is about as much as average person can hold steady for any length of time. If you try to hold 12x or higher binoculars with your hand, you will probably shake too much to view anything easily. Celestron G2 up-close binoculars are tripod compatible, so you don't have to worry about your shaky hands. And with this, my shaky hands, I end this video. Sayonara till we meet again.